And so what I did is I analyzed my trades in this way and put them into categories in terms of the percentage times that it would go in my favor in relationship to when it didn't, and found that I could give myself consistent results if I started scaling out. In other words, I would take a part of my position off at a very small amount. Let's say, just to make it easy, I trade a lot of silver and gold back then, but just to make it easy, where I would take a first third of my position off at let's say 3 or 4 cents in silver. Okay. And what that would do is that would not only make me a winner from a psychological perspective. If you really want to look at this, psychologically, what you want to do is you want to create a belief. You actually want to create this belief inside of you that I am a consistent winner. Right. And what will happen is that when that belief gets integrated into your mental, as part of into your mental environment as part of your identity, as long as, of course, the steps that go into making I am a consistent winner are consistent with that belief. In other words, it becomes a part of your identity, and you just function out of that belief in a way that you don't even have to think about it anymore.
That increases your confidence.
That's right. It not increases it; it's just who you are. So, in other words, if I want to actually believe that I'm a consistent winner, then I have to do something that creates that. So, by taking off at least a third of my position with a small amount, what that would do is that would reduce my risk. So if the market did go back and stop me out, it wasn't stopping me out of my whole position, but if it didn't, then of course I had a spot where the next third came off, and then a predetermined spot where the next third came off. And now the problem with scaling out that a lot of people have is that if they get into a monster trade, the loss potential of, like, if I had the whole thing on, I'd just made so much money. But again, it's like, what's your objective? If your objective is to get those monster trades, then it's going to be inconsistent with producing consistent results.